Looking for an easy and secure way to access your home without a key or smartphone? We got you! The Nuki Keypad is the perfect add-on to our smart lock. It allows you and your guests to access your home with a numeric code or fingerprint. No key, smartphone, or app necessary. The newest generation of our keypad also offers an integrated fingerprint sensor for even more comfort. Both keypads are operated using batteries. The keypad of the first generation is powered by 2 button cells, and our keypad 2.0 needs 4 AAA batteries. We developed our Nuki Keypad to be suitable for outside use. It only takes a few minutes to install it to the exterior of your home yourself. Simply stick it to your door or door frame with the included adhesive tape, and you're done. The Nuki Keypad communicates with your smart lock using a secure Bluetooth connection. The Bluetooth range between keypad and smart lock is around 10 meters, but doors, walls, and other shielding material decreases it. The connection between the 2 devices is secured by end-to-end encryption, similar to online banking. All data is securely managed and stored on the smart lock. So, even if the keypad is stolen, your home will still be securely locked and no data will be lost. All settings of the keypad can be managed using the Nuki app. This also includes creating, sharing, or deleting entry codes and fingerprints. If your smart lock is connected to your Wi-Fi, you can also manage your keypad remotely. Our Nuki Keypad is compatible with our smart locks from Generation 2.0 onwards and our other Nuki access solutions. For security reasons, one keypad can only be paired with one smart lock at the same time. Also, one smart lock can only be paired with one keypad. If you pair a smart lock with a new keypad, the previously used keypad is automatically disconnected. You can, however, use the existing data, such as the already created entry codes, with your new keypad to save valuable time. No more need to look for creative ways to carry your keys on the run. No more jingling sounds. With our Keypad 2.0, you can leave your keys at home when you're out jogging. Super last-minute girls trip out of town? Letting the plant sitters into your home has never been so simple. Instead of the usual hide and seek of the keys to your home, simply provide your neighbors with their entry code.